How can we deal with this PayPal wahala? The country that I used to register my PayPal actually resulted to this limit that we are seeing right now. After getting to the PayPal limit, I was asked to provide my tax ID. You see, provide tax ID, and we want to confirm that your information in your PayPal account is accurate. As we notice some there's nothing like suspicious activities on my PayPal account, and now I'm having $245 on this platform that I cannot withdraw because there's a limit on my PayPal. I cannot withdraw, I cannot transfer money. If I click on transfer money right there, if I click on transfer money, it will not. See, they are going to tell me, you see, sorry, we are unable to process your request. Try again later. Can we see that? Just because they've placed limit on my PayPal activity, I cannot withdraw money. I cannot withdraw money. I cannot use the money to even buy something online. And again, don't worry, I'm still coming to. I'm going to withdraw this money. Don't worry. I want to show us the way how to withdraw money like this. So, but for now, this money now I cannot use it to do anything. Like I cannot use it to do anything. So if I click on this right now, see details, you see that this is not this does not worth it at all. This is not what we should be experiencing as a Nigerian. This is not what we should be experiencing as a Nigerian. It's somehow, you see. So all this result, there's no way I can provide this. There's no way. I don't have the information. Guys. Now on this, now if I click on account impact, the account impact, you see, pay using PayPal cancelled. Refund money to customer, it's available. Send money or payment, I cannot send money, I cannot send payment. But these people will still receive money from you. Receive money or payment, I can receive money. Withdraw money from PayPal, I cannot withdraw. So that means I only have refund money to customers and receive money or payment. So how do you not think I'm going to get back this money? The only way is to do what? Is to use this method, refund money to customers. How am I going to refund money to customers that have already bought my products? They've already paid and everything is there. You know, that kind of thing. Everything is there and I don't even know them. We've not met before. So how can I use this method to get my money back? I'm going to walk us through, guys. Just stay close with me. So let's go back to the home page. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check the list of your payments, your recent payments. And before you can refund money back to your customers, it must be within 180 days. 180 days. So we want to check our PayPal activities here. We click here. So we click on activity right here. So we click on all transactions. So clicking on all transactions, we actually list all the transactions that we made within the last 180 days. Yes, within the last 180 days. So now we can see that this is 27th of July, my recent payment. Or let me just search here. So I want to search. I can actually search the date here. So I can click on payment received. So it's going to show me all the payments received, but it's showing me the recent payment received, right? So another thing to do is, because here now, if we click on all, we click on email address, we need to filter it in a way that we see like many. We need to filter it in a way that we see all the list of transactions, and this place is not giving me the option that I actually needed. So I will go back to home page. Right now. So after going back to home page, all I will do is to scroll down. When I scroll down, I will see the list of my recent activities. So I will see the list of my recent activities, guys. So we can see the list of my recent activities, and this is June. We can see June payment. So we can see July payment. July payment was $150. You can see. So I can refund $150. I can refund $150. I can refund $120, and my total balance is $245. So which means these two transactions alone will cover all the money on the account. If you have more than that, if for example you're having like $1,000 on your balance, just search your recent transaction. Search for your recent transaction and just make sure you calculate up to the amount you are having. Then what do I want to do? I want to click on the name of the payment I received. So I want to click on the payment I received to check the details. This is where communication is very important. This is where relationship in business is very important. Yes, this is where it is very important, because this will actually help you to track the person. This will actually help you to track the person, because if you scroll down, you will see paid by, the name of the person, the email address of the person, even if you don't have the contact of the person. So you can easily email the person and tell the person the issue you are having. So if you have rendered a fake service, your money is gone, because the person will say, it's an opportunity for me to get my money back. Yeah, if you have created a bad platform, that means your money is gone. Even you will not know how to make requests, how to request for this kind of thing. Now all I will do is I will copy the email address of this person, paid by. I will copy the email address of the person, and I'm going to do what? I'm going to write to the person. Telling the person the issue that I'm having. Then after doing that, after the person has agreed with me to make the refund, then I will come back and click on issue a refund. So now issue a refund, it say you can issue a full or partial refund for 180 days. You see, 180 days after the original payment was sent. So this is, it's not even up to a month, talk less of 180 days. So I'm going to issue full refund, full. So the total refund I'm going to make is $150. So they say this is the amount that will be deducted from your PayPal account. So I'm going to make full refund of the $150. So if I want to leave a note for the person, I can leave a note for the person. If I want to click directly on issue refund, I can click directly on issue refund. So let me just leave a note and say thank you. Thank you. I've already messaged this person and we have agreed. So I will just say thank you very much for this, so that people will not. I will just say thank you very much. Let me just put thank you very much, so that they will not suspect that I'm planning to, that kind of thing. So I will click on issue refund. So I click on issue refund. I did not see any. I didn't see anyone providing this on the internet. I've not seen anyone. You see, $150 USD to what? So I've already refunded. So refund details have been emailed to the buyer. So the person is going to receive the refund details. I've not spoken to the second person, but let me click home right here. Let me click home. Let me go back home and see what is left on the account. I've not seen anyone on the internet providing this solution. I don't know. Holy Spirit just helped me, just inspired me to get this. You can see now I have 95 left. I have $95 left on the account. So I will provide another account for the person to forward my money to. I will provide another account for the person to actually send my money. So I'm going to email the other person. The other person paid me more than $120. So I will just refund this actual amount. Yes, I'll just tell the person the situation that I'm in right now. I will be very plain. Tell the person I'm in Nigeria, paper, this and that. I will be very plain. And I will tell the person the service I provided the last time, I'm unable to make withdrawal, so the person should help me, and I will issue a refund. Then it's going to send the money to another platform. I will actually use another PayPal. So once I use the PayPal, I'll link another card, then collect my money bye to PayPal. It is as simple as that. So now I will message the other person so that the person can actually accept to refund my $95.85. So when the other person receives the message, I will let us know, guys. I will still merge this with this video. I will merge everything together. So this is the person, and the person messaged me that got the email of the refund already. Yeah, that is what I'm expecting. It's about to, yes, Cash App. So the person suggested Cash App. So I will check what Cash App is all about and see how it goes, But for now, let's see how it goes. I will merge all the videos together, both for this $150 and for other $95, so that you people will see how I'm going to make full refund, how I'm going to make my money back. Because of what? Because God is with me and He has helped me not to dupe people to make my money. Before we continue, I just want to show something. Like, I just removed money from this account and another person sent him money. Can you imagine this kind of thing? Like, an account that is already under PayPal Wahala, and they are still sending me another money, but I want to place refund on this money right now. So the person we have to the person has already contacted me, because the person sent the money before contacting me. So when you guys are making a transaction, maybe you want to get something from someone, please don't make that mistake. As long as it's not an online payment, like the platform I use this account for is not a platform that people will just go to the platform and make payment. Like, no, it's a kind of you reaching me to ask for my payment method, and I give you the account. Not that you just saw one payment like that I've posted before and you just made payment and you're not coming back to me to confirm your payment. It's not done. So I told the sender of this money that I'm going to refund the money and he can now pay me later. And the funniest thing is he did not even pay me complete money. Probably that's why he decided to just pay without consulting me, because he knew he was not going to pay the complete money. Yeah, so I want to refund this money right now. So to refund the money again, you can see the money in here. Let's view the transaction. It's supposed to be $120 that he sends to me. Yeah, $120. Yeah, so I'm going to refund him the whole money. I'm going to refund the whole $120. You can see. So PayPal charged what is called the charged $6, so it's supposed to be $120. That's why I'm getting 113. But I'm going to place refund now, so I'm going to click on refund. I'm refunding everything. The full $120. Yeah, so total refund, it's original payment, you can see $120. So amount remained 120 USD, total refund amount. So I'm going to refund everything. So I'm going to tell him to contact me for address. So I will just note him, contact me to get payment account. So I will issue refund. Right there. So after issuing the refund, the money, you don't have sufficient balance to complete this payment. Add funds or add a bank account and confirm it. So that means I can only issue the 113. Well, that's not my fault. So the guy will have to bear it. This is not my fault right here. So let's try 11323. Let's try 11323. And if I could not refund everything, now the person will think maybe I'm just trying to play on his intelligence and something like that. You haven't said okay. So let me click on issue refund right here. And this went through. That is the problem. So it's not my fault. So the person will have to bear it. We have to bear that. So it's not my fault. It's not my problem. It's not my fault. So I just screenshot this to him and that's it. So let's go back to the original tutorial, guys. Because in this kind of situation, now the person will think maybe I'm trying to play on his intelligence or something, that kind of thing. So let me go back to home page right now so that we show that I did not do anything like it. It has nothing to do with me. You see, the balance is 000 because PayPal already took their charges. So it's not my fault. It's not my fault, guys. Well, this is very funny. Let's go back to our main thing, the main thing we are dealing with. And this is very funny because I just want to believe what this person told me is the truth. Yeah, I just want to believe. The reason why I said that is because I sent $95 to this person. You guys can bear me witness because you have been following this tutorial. And so I sent this person $95, and the amount I got from this person was $50. This person said $45 charges was placed on him because he stays in India, because he's from India. And number two thing this person told me was that they charge more than 30% and all that. And well, that's just by the way. And out of the $50, I was able to get $47 because PayPal could only send me $47. You can see, he said, well, even though this not to me, it's not an excuse, but he helped me because it's still better than PayPal eating my money. Thank God I found one person that gave me my full refund, and the other person, well, something sorry, but it is well. So now let me take you to the dashboard so that you see for yourself what really happened. Yeah, this is the money the person sends to me. See, $50, and PayPal only gave me $47 out of the $50, like $47 out of the $50, guys. Now let me take you to my PayPal dashboard. PayPal dashboard. So finally, guys, this is the money in. You can see $47. So out of the 240 what? Someone should remind me. I think $245, right? So out of the $245, we are able to get $190 from the amount PayPal is supposed to seize, which is not bad. Actually, it's not bad. Let's be sincere. It's not bad. We thank God for this wisdom. So these are the things I deliver on this channel, and if you really want to get full information, I don't do half-full information. I give my information in full. If I'm teaching you in full. I don't leave you to go and do some research on your own. I teach you in full. The same thing with all the service I render and all my mentorship program. So if you want to learn in full, if you want to really learn how to make money on internet, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your comment. If you have anything you want me to you want to ask or you want me to know or you want me to help you with, just drop it on the comment section, guys. All right, this is your guy, your number one online entrepreneur, Oluwafemi Maketari, signing out, guys.